As I'm spraying this grill shell, I'm thinking about the Tweety Pie tea bucket, and I'm thinking about the 40 coats of Royal Triton purple lacquer that they sprayed on it in the 1950s. And I'm thinking to do a whole car, even if it was just a tea bucket, that would take some time to lay down 40 coats with a vacuum cleaner. Now, because we're just doing a little experiment or demonstration, I'm not going to lay 40 coats of paint on this grill shell. I'm only going to lay 3 coats on it. Now, I know 3 coats is nowhere near enough, but we're not making show car parts here. We're just trying to figure out how hard it really was to paint a car with a vacuum cleaner in the 1950s.